Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Divi's theme builder to edit the banner area of the home page where you've got the logo, the menus and so on. So we'll first just make our way to the dashboard of WordPress and we go to Divi and theme builder. Now on this website I've added a global header. I haven't added a footer, but the same principle applies to the footer as to the header. So I click to edit, or you can potentially just click to create what you want. Now when you see the header come up, its layout might differ a little bit from what it looks like on the website. So you'll just have to save and test what it looks like on the website until you're happy. So I have added here the menu, so I can choose which menu to display in this area. I've added a logo and I've chosen not to show the search icon in this area. I can also fiddle with the design settings here. So left align centered, inline centered logo. I can fiddle with the menu text style and colors. I can add in some icons if need be. I can change the sizing, the spacing and so on. And then up here I have added a number of boxes. So I can just click on the settings here and that will give me this one with the phone number, and I can then change as I want to. Sometimes it's hard to access certain areas, so as you can see this green box gets in the way when I'm trying to access this module area. So if you're having problems accessing a module area, just click go to layer and that will give you a list of all the layers, and then you can choose the layer that you want to edit. So in this case that column over there, or this column, or that column, and then you can click to edit and add what you need to add. So I hope this helps in terms of using the header layout in Divi. When you're done, scroll down here and click save, then go to the website, refresh, have a look, and potentially go back here and make more changes.